Hey, good morning, everybody. It's Dr. Bob here. Sorry about my cat there. Shelby. Hey, Shelby, say good morning. Good morning. She's a little pest in the morning. Anyway, this is Dr. Bob, and I just want to welcome you all to week 9 coming up. A few quick reminders, comments actually. Again, the midterm exams looked great. Awesome job by all of you, really. Only found a few little things here and there, so again, no major problems there. All right, so your term paper is coming up in week 9, and it is due on March 6th. So, as I've always said before, anytime you have these kind of assignments, chip away at them. Find a certain part of time, each day, whether it's from 9 to 10 or, whatever time of day works for you. I'm more productive in the morning myself. But, if the evening or nighttime works for you, then do that. But try to pick a particular time each day to work on your assignment, whether it's a half hour, an hour, whatever you can give it. And you'll find, again, if you chip away at it, it goes much easier. By the time the thing is due, you're done. It looks great. You've got a great product. So, now, if you are missing any assignments, if you have any assignments that are late, overdue, please, you need to get everything into me by March 21st. I know that seems like, oh, Dr. Bob, that's a month away. It'll be here real quick. Trust me, it sneaks up on you. So get caught up, get all that stuff into me. I still accept it. You'll still get points for it, so get it in. Okay, so the term paper. Real quickly, what the term paper is a chance to be what we call reflexive in sociology. It's the idea, remember Cooley's looking glass self? I don't know how many of you have had that concept before. It's the idea that we're looking in a mirror, looking back at ourselves, and we're being what we call reflexive. We're looking at, in this case, who we are and how did we become this person? How did the institutions of society shape the person that I think I am today? Now, it can be you. I prefer it be you, but it doesn't have to be. If you want to do this on somebody else, that's fine too. Just make sure you cover all of the bases. Now, when I say be reflexive in terms of the institutions, these are the institutions of society, right? Family, because that's the first one we're born into and has the greatest influence on us. It's the basic agent of socialization, remember that. Education, which is the next institution we fall into. The economy for most. And then you can go whichever way you want to. The polity, which includes politics, military, anything to do with the government. Religion, because for many that's a critical social institution that shapes our sense of self. And then, of course, the mass media. Now, you don't have to hit all of them, but make sure you cover the ones that you think had an influential impact on who you are or who you think you are. Or again, if you choose to do somebody else, that's fine too. It's best if you're going to choose somebody else to, don't choose some movie star, some celebrity. Choose somebody closer to you, maybe a family member, a friend, this sort of thing. So, okay, let's see. I think that's all I have. Oh, on the paper now. Again, it's due March 6th, so chip away at it every day. That's not too far away, right? But make sure you read the instructions over closely. Copy them down or print it out, whatever you need to do. But make sure you read them over closely. Follow the instructions. Take a look at the rubric. So make sure you hit all those points, and you're going to do fine on the term paper. And then, of course, submit it just as you would normally any other assignment in Canvas. All right, that's all I have for you. Finally, I just want to say this for any of you who are struggling or having problems with your assignments. Make sure you keep me posted on what's going on. And I say that with all sincerity. I'm here to see you succeed. All of your instructors are here to see you succeed. So make sure whatever the course is, whether it's mine or somebody else's, you're keeping your instructor posted, because at least this way we can work with you. We know what's going on. We don't hear from you for 2 or 3 weeks, and all of a sudden we say, oh, Dr. Bob, I'm failing the course and I'm missing all these assignments. Then you put us, there's an old saying, your lack of planning doesn't mean that I have an emergency, right? So make sure you're staying in touch with us and keeping in contact so that we know what's going on with you. Okay, that's all I have for you. Have a wonderful Wednesday, and we'll talk to all you good folks later. Bye.